So hi friends, we are like with another issue. See, I just plugged in my USB stick and it's currently not detecting. Actually detected, but it's not showing here. So I've checked a lot of solutions and like most of them are not working for me. I'll just show you what all things I did and how I end up with the solution. Okay. So see, I'll just go to manage, go to this PC, go to manage, and you can see disk management. Over here you can see the the USB drive that I plugged in, but see, I just need to see, I'm just gonna choose a path so that it will be showing in my disk area, but it's not showing right now. So it's showing this cannot be specified, so there is no way we can do that. So I googled it and I found something. You need to go to command prompt and you need to type disk part. Yes, and it will and you need to type list disk. So it will show the list of disk that is in your computer. So I'm gonna select disk 2, that's some 107 GB ka drive. So select disk 2. So not disk 2, disk 1. So sorry, select disk 1. So disk 1 is selected, so just need to confirm it. We can again show the list. So list disk, so you can see that disk 1 is showing with 1 star over there. Okay, so you need to do is just clean that disk. So disk part has encountered an error, access is designed. So we got such an information that we don't have an access for that. So I tried, it's not working. So what you can do is just download Rufus file. Okay, I'll show you from where you can get it. Okay, from this website, go and download Rufus 3.5.exe. I'll give the link in the description below. And so I've downloaded that. I'll show you. This is Rufus 3.5. So just double click and open it and press OK. And you need to select here non-bootable drive. Okay, just select non-bootable drive, and here you need to choose GPT, and that's it. Just you need to go for start. That's it. So now what's gonna happen is, just wait and see. Close. So now you can see, I'll show you. Where is it? Okay, just missing. Now you can see at least your pen drive is right over here, but still it's not in the right way. You can what you can do is just clean this disk. Okay, you need to clean this disk first. So you can just again go to command prompt. Okay, so you need to do is go for disk part. List disk, select disk 1, list disk again, and clean it, and you need to create a partition. Primary, and you need to activate that. So just type active, and you need to format it. Format fs is equal to f80 32 quick. That's it. Now your USB drive is ready to use.